Hello everyone, welcome back to another coin video, and today I'm going to be talking about a great quarter collection that you can start, especially if you're a beginner. So I'm going to be talking about the National Park Quarters collection, which is going on from 2010 through 2021, so right now we're still in it. But I wouldn't necessarily recommend this book, only because it only shows one of each design, so you cannot collect Philadelphia and Denver mints of it. But there are folders, kind of like the state collection, that are like this, specifically for this. So yeah, what this is, it's just the National Park Quarters, which you may have read online or seen in the United States Coins Red Book. And linked to everything that I use in this video and my personal supplies will be linked below in the description. They are making 5 different designs per year of the national parks, and it's an amazing collection to start because you don't need a ton of money to start or even to finish this collection. In fact, if you finish this collection, it would be the same amount as if you finished the State Quarters collection. It's getting really sunny. Wow, that's bright. Okay, you can kind of see on the... You can't really see. That got really bright. I'm glad I have like a diffuser. Watch this, if I take it away. It's got a lot brighter. Wow. I may have to close the blinds. It's really dark outside. It just looks like it's about to rain. It's really weird. But it's kind of nice though. Okay, so back to the coins, my bad guys. I always get distracted with clouds and weather and everything like that, like thunderstorms, and well, now the sun's going away, so clouds. Okay, so like I was saying, it's only $28 to fill up the National Park Quarters collection from Denver and Philadelphia. $28, that's not that much. In order to fill up the state quarters, it's $28, and to fill up both, it'd be $56. $56 is not that much compared to purchasing coins, because you could probably get 2 or 3, like if you're really pushing it, to get 3 Morgan dollars. Like that would be crazy to get 3 Morgan dollars for $56. You may be able to do it if you get some like really beat up ones, but for $56 to be able to fill up 2 series collections of quarters, national parks and states, that's pretty good. So what I would recommend is just go to the bank, maybe get like $25, $50 if you have it, $100 of quarters, and go home and roll hunt and search through, because these quarters are being made like this year, last year, next year, a little bit next year, not much, but they're being made right now, so they're easily able to be found in circulation. So this is one of the best starter collections if you have a little more money, because you could do pennies, but this is a little more enjoyable because it's quarters and they're bigger and you feel, and they look better. They're not just like copper. It's not just brown. It looks more like silver. It's more shiny. It's a little more enjoyable. So that's pretty much it for this video though. Like I said, this will be linked below. The better ones will also, not the better ones, the separate ones that are kind of like this will be linked below. Yeah, that'll all be below, as well as my other supplies. If you are enjoying these videos that I have been making, go ahead and hit the thumbs up on this video. Comment below about any questions you may have. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe yourself to the channel and hit the bell to be notified whenever I post another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, keep on collecting.